The yard is incredibly crunchy. Everything is covered in a sheet of ice. Frozen shut too. That side open. This is a big sheet of ice. Roads are slippery. No salt trucks, no plows, nothing to rescue us. We have to just wait for it to warm up with no other option. As I was saying, it's 21 degrees out here. And it's going to be below freezing probably for about 2 days. So the roads are going to be dangerous. Really dangerous. At least until about Friday. Friday is expected to go up into the high 60s. And then we're expecting mid-70s over the weekend. So that's quite a change in temperature. Of course, all this ice and nonsense will be gone by then. Well, it's 9:30 here in the morning in Pensacola, and it's about 21 degrees outside. This is about the coldest I think I've ever seen it during the daytime here. The area hasn't had any snow, not here, but there's just sleet everywhere. Tremendous amounts of sleet that has built up to probably up to an inch deep in a few places. I guess wherever there's a snowdrift, if you want to call it that, wherever it blew off the rooftops. A car is covered pretty heavily. I tried to open up the trunk last night to get something out of it. That wasn't happening. It's actually frozen shut. I tried to open the door. It's just iced completely around the window. The window was trying to flex as I was pulling on the door handle. The whole door was coming out and the window was flexing, so at risk of breaking the window, I just stopped. I didn't want to break the glass. Probably going to have to get a heat gun out here if I want to free this thing up. There's always some asshole hitting their fucking horn button on their fucking remote control because they're douchebags. Oh, we're all frozen up. Driveway is really, really slick. Again, this is not snow, this is just ice. Here's the old mailbox.